Hey guys, Keely Reason from here from Love Hip Adventure, and today I want to do an unboxing video of these are actually sex position playing cards. There's 52 in the deck. As you can see, it's completely unbranded. This is for, the people with little children. So I just got this in the mail today, and they came completely sealed, so they've never been looked at. And I love the unbranded box so that it's discreet. Obviously, you're going to want to keep these playing cards discreet and out of the rotation with your children. And then, let me take a look at... Now, I haven't looked at these yet. Okay, so these are how the sex positions work. So this is the beginning card. It has the instructions on it. Okay, the instructions here. So you can scan the QR code below with your smartphone camera app to view the instructions so you can get the most out of these cards and make the best love you can make. So this is just the featured card that kind of shows you what it's about. And then, as you can see, these are porn free. This is called When in Doubt. I don't know, like when you're reading backwards. And this says it's a from behind position, penetration position that creates a tight fit during lovemaking and has excellent G-spot stimulation. So if you can't figure out what to do from this card, which this is a fairly, probably simple position, you can scan the QR code right here, and it takes you to the website, ChristianFriendlySexPositions.com. It's this website, ChristianFriendlySexPositions.com, which you can actually go there right now and find all of these positions. And I'm going to link up in the video here the link to the printable version of this. So I will also link up this actual deck as soon as it's available. It's not quite available yet. And as you can see, there's 52 cards here. You can play it however you like. You could create your own card game with it. It would be a little hard maybe to create a card game because there isn't duplicates. But what is suggested is that maybe you just draw 3 positions at random maybe. And so say we were going to just draw these 3 positions and then try these 3 positions tonight. Okay. That would be like that. That would be like that. Like this. Okay. And each one of these has the card name, position name on the back, a little bit of a description, but as we can tell from these cards, they're not anatomical, which is good. We hoped that the cards would turn out this way. Okay, my friend over at Christian Friendly Sex Positions creates these graphics all the time, and he put this deck together. And like I said, I'll be sharing with you the link on how to get the printable version if you want to get it now. It's cheaper than this, but it's right there. You can have up to 220 positions come in that printable, and this is a deck of 52, and I'll link up to this as soon as it's available. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I look forward to chatting with you later.